Hey guys, how to fix iPhone overheating problem. Today in this video, I am going to talk about some method. I hope by using this method, your problem will be solved. So let's see. Method 1. Remove your phone case. If your iPhone is in case, in that case, I would suggest you remove the case. Put your iPhone in a cooler place and keep your iPhone away from heat sources. Method 2. Enable low power mode. You can enable low power mode when your iPhone gets overheating. It reduces background process. To do this, you go to settings. After that, you scroll down and go to battery. After going to battery, you click on battery. Now here you see the option low power mode. You turn on this option. Okay, done. Method 3. Avoid direct sunlight. Keep your iPhone away from direct sunlight because heat from sunlight may cause it to overheat. Method 4. Use official charger. Using non-certified chargers may cause your iPhone to heat up during charging. So I would suggest you to use official Apple chargers for safety. Method 5. Disable location service. You temporarily disable location service on your iPhone. To do this, you go to settings. After that, you scroll down and go to privacy. After going to privacy, you click on privacy. Now here you see the option location services. You click on this. From here, you disable location services. Here you click on turn off. Okay, done. Method 6. Turn off background app refresh. You temporarily disable background app refresh. To do this, you go to settings. After that, you click on general. From here, you click on background app refresh. Here you again click on background app refresh. From here, you select off. Okay, done. I have turned off background app refresh. Method 7. Lower screen brightness. To do this, you go to settings. After that, you click on display and brightness. From here, you reduce the brightness. That's for today guys. I hope by using this method your problem will be solved. Thank you.